Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to do a science lesson with you. You are learning about animals right now and how animals are alike and different. And this week we are focusing on how animals move differently. And so today we are going to read a book called Move, and the author is Steve Jenkins and Robin Page. And while we're reading the book, we're going to be thinking about what are some different ways that animals can move. And then when we're done reading, we are going to write in our science notebook. So make sure you have your science notebook. And then at the end, I'm going to show you what you're going to do to show some of your thinking about what you know and what you learned about how animals move. All right, so let's read this book together. Move. Swing. Animals move in different ways. Swing. A gibbon swings through jungle trees. So swing is one way that animals can move. Walk, or walks on two back legs. Walk. A jacana walks on floating lily pads. Then dives in to catch a fish. Dive. A blue whale dives deep, deep, deep. Swim, and swims below the ocean waves. An armadillo swims across a stream. And when startled, leaps straight up. Leap. A crocodile leaps to snag its meal. After slithering silently into the water. Slither. A snake slithers through rustling leaves. And climbs up into a tree. Climb. A praying mantis climbs a blade of grass. Then spreads its wings and flies. Fly. A roadrunner flies, but not too far. Run. It would rather run to catch its prey. An Arctic hare runs across the ground. Then dances tumbling with its mate. Dance. A jumping spider dances to impress. Then it floats away on a thread of silk. Float. A polar bear floats in dark, icy water. And slides down a snow-covered hill. Slide. A penguin slides, splash, into the sea. And waddles with its colony. Waddle. Waddle, slide, float, dance, run, fly, climb, slither, leap, swim, dive, walk, swing. Animals move in different ways. How about you? Move. All right, and this book is really neat because at the end, it gives you a lot of facts about all the different animals that we read, but I'm not going to be able to read all of that right now, but I wanted to show that to you. If you are able to find this book, or if you have this book at home, or if you can find it somewhere else being read, maybe you could read some of those facts about all those animals. All right, boys and girls, so that was about how animals move in all different ways. So in your science notebook today, you are going to get it ready like this. You are going to write animal movement at the top. If you need to pause the video, you can, so you can look here. And then you're going to make a 4 square. To do this, all I did was draw a line down the middle, and then I drew a line in half this way. And I labeled my notebook with 4 different ways that animals move: run, swim, fly, and hop. You could also put leap there if you would rather put that. And you are going to draw at least one animal in each box that moves in that way. So if you have more time, or if you really like this activity and you want to draw more, you can draw more, but you need to draw at least one animal that can run in this box, draw one animal that can swim in this box, one animal that can fly right here, and one animal that can hop. And after you draw those animals, then I want you to label them so I know what animal you drew. And you can color them too. So when you're done, you're going to take a picture of your assignment and submit it to me so I can see it. I hope you all have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed this book. I miss you, and I will see you soon. Bye.